Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have all new Oppo Find X9s smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you are planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. This phone comes with this snap key. By default, if you will press this, then it will enable this mind space. You can customize this and set different tools. To do that, open your settings, select snap key. Here you have all different options. You can set camera, torch, translator, etc. I'm selecting the screenshot. Now whenever I will press and hold the snap key, it will click the screenshot. While traveling, if you use your phone and get car sick, then you can use the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience, and then select motion cues. Enable it from here. It will start showing some dots on the edges of your screen. As your car or your vehicle will move, these dots also move with that. So it will help you prevent the motion sickness. Open your control panel. From here you can also enable it and disable it. This phone comes with a lot of AI editor features. You can edit your images with the help of AI. Simply open your image and then click on this edit icon and then select AI editor. So you can use this AI portrait glow. For example, this picture was taken in very dark environment. You can add glow with the help of AI. Simply click on this AI portrait glow, click on agree and continue. It will analyze the image and then add the glow. As you can compare the before and after, it add the light very naturally. You can also increase or decrease it from here. So you can use this to add the glow in any picture. You can record all your calls without any announcement or without any kind of alert. Open your dialer, click on these three dots, select settings and then select call recording. Enable record all calls. Now it will record all your calls, whether they are from your saved contacts or they are from unknown numbers. It will record all the calls without any announcement or without any kind of alert. When you are on your home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open any of these applications. There's a gesture for this. To enable that, tap and hold on your home screen, select home screen settings, select icon pull down gesture and then enable it from here. Now whenever you are on your home screen, you can swipe up from either side of the screen. That will drag all the applications around your thumb. Select the app that you want to open, then it will open it for you. If you like to multitask, then you will love the next two features. The first one is split screen. With the help of that, you can use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Open the first application and put it in recent apps. Click on the apps icon and then select split view. Now select the second app. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of the split screen feature. The second one is floating window. With the help of that, you can use any application as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. Open the application, again put it in recent apps, click on the apps icon and then select floating window. You can resize it from the corner like this. You can drag and drop it anywhere. You can also minimize it and keep on using your smartphone. And whenever you need that app, then simply tap on the apps icon. It will reopen it for you. So you can use this floating window as well to multitask in your smartphone. You can use circle to search feature to search anything that you have on your display. For example, if you're scrolling through your social media application and you want to search anything, then simply tap and hold the middle bottom like this. It will enable the circle to search. Then circle the object, any person or any text, then it will directly search it on the Google for you. So you can use this circle to search feature to search anything that you have on your display. You can also use this to search anything that you have in front of you. Open your camera, point the camera towards that object and then enable circle to search. Circle the object, then it will also search it on the Google for you. You can monitor your real-time network speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable this real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. By default, this phone doesn't show a battery percentage. To enable that, select battery percentage and then enable it from here. Then it will start showing your battery percentage in the status bar. Let's talk about some of the gestures and motions. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, scroll down and then select gestures and motions. Scroll down to the bottom. From here you can enable this shake to launch. You can either select torch or select camera. I'm selecting torch. Now whenever you are on your locked screen, if you will shake your phone like this, then it will turn on the flashlight. You can use this raise to wake feature. If you will enable this, then whenever your phone is on the table and you will pick it up, then it will turn on the locked screen. From the top, select screen of gestures and enable it from here. You can also draw an O to open camera from your locked screen, enable it from here. Then whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw an O, then it will directly launch the camera application. You can use this draw a V to turn torch on or off. Enable it, then if you will draw a V, then it will turn on the flashlight. But my favorite one are these customizable ones. You can select from any of these. Select open an app, then it will show you all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Select your favorite application, and then whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw that alphabet, then it will directly launch that specific application. So you can customize them and then select your favorite application. You can make the dual of any application and then log in with two different accounts in the same application. Open your settings, select apps, select app cloner, select agree and continue, then select the app that you want to clone. Enable it from here, wait for a few seconds, then it will make the clone. As you can see, I have two Instagrams now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And also schedule this as per your bed timing. And the second one is eye comfort. Select eye care and then enable this eye comfort. This will warm the color of your screen. You can increase or decrease the intensity from here. You can also schedule this. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can definitely use these two features to protect your eyes. If you read ebooks, articles a lot, then you will love the next feature. In the same display and brightness settings, enable this screen attention. Click on agree. Now whenever you're reading your ebooks, you don't have to keep on tapping on the display to keep it on. It will detect your eyes from the front camera and then keep your display on. You can customize your apps icon, you can change the UI color, you can select different AOD styles. To do all of this, open your settings, select lock screen, home screen and styles. Select all Flux themes. Here you have some downloaded cool looking themes. You can select from any of these. You can further customize them. You can change the font style. You can change the color. You can also add some widgets. You can also resize it and then click on apply. So it will change the theme of your smartphone. From here you can select always on display, enable it from here. Here also you have some really nice styles. You can select from any of these and then click on apply. Now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific AOD style on your locked screen. You can customize your icons. Click on icons and here you have all different styles. You can increase or decrease the size of the app and also increase or decrease the name of the apps. After selecting your favorite style, click on apply. Then it will change the app style. If you're using 3-button navigation and you want to change the order of these, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom, select system and update, select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these, and from here you can select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open your recent apps like this and jump to your home screen like this. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Oppo Find X9s smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.